Reason why I look like shit today is because we're going to be working on the frame.
You always look like shit.
We're going to be sanding and grinding all the rust off, and then so we can start sandblasting it in a little bit. I don't know if we'll get to that today, but let's get to work. So the next step is we did the majority of the sanding of the main frame, but I have to take out these cross support pieces because there's rust in between the two pieces and I don't want that to build up. So I figured since it's apart now, it's better just to take it apart. I gotta grind these rivet heads off, 3 on each side, and there's 3 on the bottom, and then we'll just drop these pieces out so you can get all that heavy rust out of there. And then we'll just replace these rivets with nuts and bolts and put it back together. Better to do it right than to just go around it the shortcut way. And yeah. How's your first time running a grinder?
This frame is gonna be smoother than a baby's bottom.
Buddy,
are you really looking at the damn bug?
Look at the bug. Don't kill him.
Well, don't step on it. It's on the ground somewhere. We got to take that line out of the power steering pump because I don't want all these lines were attached to the side of the frame. I just want to get that off so we have more room to work.
Yeah, true. We're breaking that off.
No, you don't want to break it off.
We're breaking it off.
Let me deal with it. Oh my God, it's moving. I'm gonna get a bigger wrench.
You're ugly.
I know. My dumb ass that's been working on cars for how many years now is turning the damn bolt the wrong way. Look how easy it turns now. Ready, watch. Look how easy.
It's coming out smoother than my Taco Bell.
Watch a bunch of freaking fluid come out. That's all the power steering fluid that already leaked out from when we moved it.
We gotta clean that off the road.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go dump the bucket on the road.
You gotta go scrub the road so my dad doesn't get mad. But in case more runs out, which I don't, nope. All right, we're good. Look how easy that was.
I had to break the wire.
We almost broke it from over tightening it.
This video is gonna be very entertaining.
It will be. What the hell are you doing?
I'm a bird. Clap,
Go,
clap.
go climb the tree. Don't freaking fall.
Where is it? I'm stuck. I can't get down. Parkour.
Yeah, my dumb ass put the grinder wheel on the wrong way too.
What?
I'm really hating myself right now.
Good. Maybe you shouldn't go to bed at 4 a.m.
See, it shouldn't frickin' do that. I had it on both ways and it kept frickin' getting stuck, so I don't know what the hell's up with this.
What do you have to say so far?
We're getting work done, but
No, we're not.
I'm messing up.
Not getting work done right now.
I know, because I messed up again.
Trey, can you explain to us why we're going up to the pole?
I don't know why the frickin' kept getting stuck, so I figured I'll go get the expert and have him do it.
Paulie D. Paulie D to the rescue.
The expert has spoken.
Always use adult supervision. Even though we're 19, we're still not adults.
Let's officially do it right this time. It's hard to see, but if you look, I'm not touching it because it's going to be hot as hell. But if you look right there, you can kind of see the outline of the circle for the rivet. We need to punch that out with a hammer and a punch. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more to go on the top, and then we got 3 more on each side on the bottom.
I'm happy that you could count.
At least
right today.
At least I can do something right.
Tree doesn't know I have his phone. Dad?
What the hell are you doing?
Cleaning all this crap out of my arm hair. I feel all pains for dogs. Ow! What? That hurt.
Did I even hit you?
Yeah, did. It hurt.
Good.
I don't have any leg hairs now.
We finally got all the rivets drilled out on the top side. So now we can start punching them out. It's kind of better to see right here. See the outline of it? Just put it there. Smack her down. Smack her down.
I'm trying to be tree right now.
No one can be Tree. That's my family. When his hands look like this, you know he works for you. What are you doing?
Coming to see what you're doing.
The expert has arrived.
Looking at all your holes.
Hole.
What'd you say in this one big giant hole?
Yeah. Breakfast!
I want everything except
And the best part. So we got the top ones done on each side. And we figured instead of taking the bottom ones out from in there, it'd be easier just to take these ones off and drop this whole top piece off. So that's the last one I got to do, then this top piece will come off. Then we could take out these bottom structural parts. Both need replaced. And then that'll be easier to do once that top piece is off, instead of trying to crawl under it and do it from underneath. Think with your head and work smart. That's all I can say.
How?
I wasn't too smart today. You're gay. What?
That hurt!
I don't think it's gonna come out if you're hitting it that lightly.
It's gonna snap off from
I'll
the
do
rock.
it here. I don't even care if it snaps off.
Yeah, you do.
It needs replaced anyways. was close. Took
I told you! See what happens when you don't listen?
That's what needs replaced. So I gotta make a new one of these. Bolt it back on. Last one. Come on. There we go. You can see how badly rusted that is. It broke right off. Another step down. Oh, that was so hard.
That was the hardest thing we've done all day.
So go make 2 of these. And bolt her back on.
You know how they have cows?
Like the animal.
Yeah, you know how they like eat grass? You just
Yeah.
put them out there and they'll be your lawnmower?
Yeah.
They need to make a mammal that'll take the sand off the frame so we don't have to do it.
That might be the stupidest thing I've ever heard. I thought that he was getting to some like really solid point that could help us out, but he says some shit like that. I wanted to work a little bit longer today, but I wanted to finish up early because there's a little small car cruise that I want to go to. But I just want to go to get one of my dash plaques. Nathan's heading out, so we'll see him next time. Hot rod. That horsepower though. So I'm gonna wrap up today's video here. Got a lot of work done today on the frame. Got all the heavy rust off, so we still got to sandblast it, and I still have to cut out some of the spots where the metal wore through because of all the rust. So I'll cut that out and then weld in new metal where that's needed. But other than that, I'm really not going to show much work being done on it. The sandblasting and the welding, of course, I'll show that. But yeah, stay tuned for the restoration, and got a lot of other cool videos coming up, the car shows, all that stuff. So as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And again, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.